Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, we're introducing a highly promising airdrop project, HyperBolic. This project has successfully raised $19.73 million in funding. Led by Polykind Capital, Balaji Srinivasan, Santiago R. Santos, along with other investors that you can check out on CryptoRank. To participate in this airdrop, a small fee of around $5 is required. Before we dive into the details of how to join this airdrop, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on potential future projects. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss out on important information and step-by-step instructions. What is HyperBolic? HyperBolic is a platform that provides advanced AI models and GPU rental services at a lower cost than traditional providers. Additionally, the project allows users to earn money by contributing their unused GPU power to the network. HyperBolic is developed by a top-tier team, including Jasper Zhang and Yuchen Jin. How to join the HyperBolic airdrop? Step 1. Click the link provided in the video description. You can register using your Gmail or a custom email. Step 2. Go to the model section and interact with the project's AI applications to earn additional points. I chose model images as an example. To proceed, you need to deposit around $5 as a fee. Click on Deposit to add funds. There are multiple payment options available, so choose the one that suits you best. Step 3. Go to the Rent GPU section to rent GPU slots and increase your mining efficiency. The cost is approximately $1.40 per hour. Consider this option carefully based on your budget. That's a complete overview of the HyperBolic project and how to participate in its airdrop. We hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on upcoming potential projects. See you in the next one.